Hi guys, for today's video, we're going to make Samboosa cheese. So if you want to know how to make this Samboosa cheese, please continue watch my video. Samboosa is a well-known food in Kuwait or in Middle East. It is usually eaten during the Ramadan season. So this is Helen Tanyamore. Don't forget to subscribe. Click the notification bell down to keep updated for more videos from me. Wanna know how I make this? Let's go! So the ingredients, we need Samboosa leaves. We also need 1 egg. We need white cheese or any cheese you want to use. Me, I use the 3 Cows white cheese. So first step, we're going to beat the egg. Then mix it. When you close the Samboosa leaves, this one you're going to put on the both sides so that the Samboosa leaves will close. And next step, we're going to cut our cheese. So this is the cheese. We're going to cut them into squares like that, and then you're going to put it inside on the Samboosa leaves. So you're going to take a piece of the cheese, then you put it on the Samboosa leaves. Then you're going to press it like a triangle. Then the last one, you're going to close it. Then put the little bit of the egg. Then you close it. Done. So these are all the Samboosa we make for the 100 pieces. So now we're going to try to fry it, and then we'll see if it's good. So we're going to heat an oil, and then we're going to fry it. So when it gets hot, you're going to put the Samboosa. Then wait for a while until it gets cooked. So now our Samboosa is done. So it's ready to serve, and we're going to eat it. So now our Samboosa cheese is done. So thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell down to keep updated for more videos from me. Bye bye.